In today's interconnected world, social media has become an integral part of the online landscape. By integrating social media elements into your website, you can enhance user engagement, foster a sense of community, and promote your brand more effectively. In this video, we will explore how to use Facebook, one of the world's largest social media platforms, to make your website more social and engaging. Section 1. The benefits of a social website. Making your website more social offers several benefits. Enhanced user engagement. Social media features encourage user interaction, such as commenting, sharing, and liking content, keeping visitors engaged and returning for more. Community building. Social media elements foster a sense of community among users, creating a platform for discussions, sharing experiences, and building relationships with your brand. Brand promotion. Social media integration allows you to share your website's content on social media platforms, expanding your reach and attracting new visitors. Improved SEO. Social media signals, such as shares and likes, can positively impact your website's search engine rankings, enhancing its visibility. Section 2. Facebook's role in social website integration. Facebook, with its vast user base and powerful tools, can be a valuable asset in making your website more social. Facebook social plugins. Integrate Facebook social plugins, such as the like button, share button, and comments box, to encourage social sharing and engagement on your website. Facebook Pixel. Implement Facebook Pixel to track website visitors' behavior and interests, allowing you to target your content and ads more effectively. Facebook APIs. Utilize Facebook APIs to connect your website with Facebook, enabling features like social login, social sharing, and personalized content recommendations. Facebook groups. Create and manage Facebook groups related to your website's niche, fostering discussions, sharing content, and building a loyal following. Section 3. Integrating Facebook into your website. To integrate Facebook into your website, follow these steps. Identify integration points. Determine which areas of your website would benefit from social media integration, such as blog posts, product pages, and event listings. Choose appropriate plugins. Select the appropriate Facebook social plugins for your website's needs, considering features, design, and placement. Install and configure plugins. Install and configure the chosen plugins according to your website setup and design guidelines. Create engaging content. Produce high-quality, informative, and shareable content that encourages interaction and social sharing. Promote social features. Highlight social media buttons and encourage users to share, like, and comment on your content. Section 4. Utilizing Facebook for social website growth. Leverage Facebook's tools and features to enhance your website's social presence. Share website content on Facebook. Share your website's content regularly on your Facebook page, including links to blog posts, product pages, and relevant news articles. Run Facebook ads. Target your website's content and promotions to specific audiences using Facebook ads, reaching a wider audience and driving traffic to your site. Engage with Facebook audiences. Respond to comments, participate in discussions, and address concerns promptly, building relationships with your audience. Track and analyze social engagement. Monitor social media analytics to understand user engagement, identify trends, and refine your social strategies. By integrating Facebook and other social media elements into your website, you can create a more engaging, interactive, and socially connected experience for your visitors. Social media integration can help you build a loyal community, promote your brand effectively, and enhance your website's overall success in the digital landscape. Remember, social media is a dynamic and ever-evolving realm, so stay up to date with the latest trends, adapt your strategies accordingly, and keep your website's social presence vibrant and engaging.